What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. Now I know it's been a while, but I'm back with a bang, and this week I'm bringing you my new World Cigar of the week. This week I've decided to go for the Flor De Oliva Robusto. And this is a simply classical looking 5x50. It's got an Ecuadorian wrapper and Nicaraguan filler and binder. So some really interesting flavors going on there from the Oliva range. So kind of made from their factories with their knowledge that's going into it. It's just a very interesting looking, very weighty cigar. It's got that nice medium brown mottled wrapper there. It's just really interesting, solid construction. There's going to be a lot of flavor going on in this one, but a first time on this one for me. I haven't actually had that much time to enjoy many cigars recently. We've been so busy with mail order and kind of just keeping the ball rolling and keeping you guys stocked up with your humidors. So let me get this cut and lit. Let's move on to the first third. I'm really excited to get into this one. Join me in a second. So guys, just making my way into the first third on this one, and the flavors are quite classically Nicaraguan. I'm getting that mineraliness. There's that little bit of that Nic kick just in terms of the strength there. If you retrohale it through your sinuses, that really gives you that little bit of a zing that I quite enjoy. That Ecuadorian Connecticut wrapper is giving you that nice sort of citrusy note as well. So it's balancing quite well with the mineraliness and the citrus notes that are coming through there. Very well constructed. The draw is impeccable on this one. The Oliva family have known what they've been doing for a very, very long time. This is one of their original brands. So the Flor De Oliva brand was the original before they moved into just the Oliva range of cigars. Definitely got that heritage there. You can kind of taste that history and that thought and effort that's gone into these tobaccos. So I'm going to sit back and see what this middle third has got in store. Might go grab myself a little drink to pair with this one. I'm thinking something quite tangy. Not quite sure yet. I'm going to go have a look in the cabinet and see what we've got, but let's see what that middle third has got. Join me in a second. So guys, I've just made my way, just coming up to about halfway point on this one. The flavors have developed into a little bit more excitement. I'm getting nuttiness, I'm getting some nice sweet notes. There's a buttery note to it as well. The thing that's coming into me is it's like a very nicely buttered piece of fruit toast. That's all I can describe it as, of just sweetness, wheaty, well-rounded notes. I'm still getting that Nicaraguan sort of zing in the background there. The finish has got some interesting leathery notes on there as well, quite well-rounded leathery notes, so not kind of punches at all, just nice flow of leather and notes that come in on this one. I'm very, very impressed so far with this. I'm going to be picking myself up a few of these to stick in my humidor as the weather gets warmer. If I'm going to be self-isolating at home, or if I'm going to be stuck in, I want to be doing it with something that I enjoy. So the band's about to come off on this one. Join me for the final third. Let's see what it's got in store. See you in a second. So guys, coming down to the final third on this one, the flavors have continued just to be that real nice buttery, creamy fruit toast notes there. There's also been an introduction on the finish of an oaky, woody note there, which has been quite interesting. Wasn't expecting that at all. Still getting those real nice Nicaraguan flavors. I absolutely adore Nicaraguan tobacco. I love that little zing that you get, that mineraliness that you can kind of chew the smoke on. A really, really enjoyable cigar. A great introduction to the kind of older vitolas and the older sort of range from Oliva. Definitely something you're going to want to pick up one or two of, maybe even pick up a box if you can. Head over to the website right now. It's cigars.com. That's cigars.com. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this video if you have enjoyed it. Until next time, I hope you're all keeping safe out there. Take care of yourselves. Peace.